These are pretty much at this point exclusively used with our seniors, and we came about this through a wonderful grant through the American Nurse Foundation. And what we wanted to look at is how do we better help our students transition to practice. That's something that has been very challenging in nursing to do, to give multi-patient care out in the actual clinical settings and here within our simulation center. So what we've been able to do is through the headsets give seniors the opportunity to take care of multiple patients. And these are high stress, high stakes situations, having to learn how to time manage, delegate, teamwork. So it's been fantastic. So at this point, we ended up finishing a 3-year research project, and this was a multi-site with Michigan, University of Michigan and University of Minnesota, and we added in 3 more colleges as well. Everybody has had great success. So what we see now is as we transition over to our new building, which we're beyond excited about, is we have increased VR space. So what we hope to do is upgrade our headsets. It gives you more opportunities. We are currently working with Purdue's Envision Center. And so where we've gone from these headsets, where it's immersed, the student is fully immersed in the situation. They can go up right up to the patient's bed, reach out as though they're giving direct care. Our next step is you can come together as an entire team to care for one patient. And you can actually, for example, have the human heart that is the size of an actual body, and we can pull that into a group educational center, and you can stick your hand into that heart and you can trace through the chambers and how does the blood flow. And so it's fantastic that these are the next steps, and with AI, it's unlimited the direction we're going to go. So again, beyond excited of what we can do for our students, but also in community outreach. We're so excited to be able to bring the VR into the high schools to help them navigate different healthcare roles. Are you interested in nursing? It'd be a wonderful recruitment tool, but for the health sciences in general as well.